Seniors, your muscles are disappearing without this one food. As we age, our bodies go through numerous changes, but one of the most alarming is muscle loss. Known as sarcopenia, this gradual muscle shrinkage affects nearly every senior, leading to weakness, fatigue, and even a higher risk of falls. But here's the game changer: protein. Did you know that without enough protein, your muscles won't regenerate properly, accelerating the loss of strength and mobility? As we get older, our body's ability to process protein declines, making it even more crucial to add this nutrient back into your diet. The magic ingredient? Lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy, all packed with the essential building blocks your muscles crave. But it's not just about quantity. The timing and type of protein matter too. Consuming protein throughout the day, especially after a workout or physical activity, helps rebuild and repair muscle tissue. You don't have to go overboard. Just adding high-quality protein in each meal can make a significant difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Reclaim your strength and independence by prioritizing protein-rich foods now. Your muscles will thank you, keeping you stronger, more energetic, and ready to live your best life. Don't let age rob you of your strength. Fuel your body with what it needs. Your future self will be grateful.